looking for another big performance this evening. So let's give him another massive.
So I've been told that our chief cameraman is going to come up with a very, very good new fresh angle.
Can't wait. Great width again, the length hitting from Cuskelly, and now
that's the archer
hammering it into the nick. It's playing. He started really well.
It's
Cuskelly.
good. It's the way it should be. This is Cuskelly at his very best. Very direct.
Oh, what a shot! What a shot! There's a fist pump from Cuskelly.
Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, is renowned as the Aussie boast. I don't know why we're looking at this, because it's just a wicked shot. That's an unbelievable shot.
Wonderful shot for Cuskelly. Nice the roar, that was absolutely crucial.
9-10.
Just as brave as some of the drop shots played by Momen. Still in with a shout here in this second.
What was good about that one, though, is he was really pushing.
Oh, it's gone out. Yeah, it went over. I'm very sure it went over the line, Joey. So we're into tie break now in the second.
Player must win by 2 points. Each player has one review available.
He needs that to be really working and pinpoint for him to really trouble these top boys. And when he gets it right, he's a nightmare.
Yeah, it just enables him to get on the volley, doesn't it? So he can take it early.
That's a wonderful finish. What a finish.
That was brave. Again, back to the finish. Bravery of Momen. It looked easy. Looked like a gimme in golf, but you still, with the position of the match, that is not easy to execute.
Not sure.
I think he was going for the leisure.
It's more like the community centre post. Gonna hold. Ooh.
Oh, he's gone for it. Couldn't resist it. Ryan Cuskelly for the cross-court nick. He's absolutely furious, but he's the one who's hit the tin.
He's the one who's hit the tin. It's nothing to do with the referee. That decision he's going on about, wasn't it? Saying if a ref gets the decision wrong and he knows he's got it wrong either way on review or in general, would you prefer them to keep getting it wrong for consistency or just make decisions based on individual cases?
I prefer them to get better, really. Just not consistently keep getting it wrong.
Nice. Oh, he's walloped it into the top of the tin.
Momen
holds on to his head-to-head record with Ryan Cuskelly. Certainly the best kind of display of squash we've seen from Cuskelly against Momen for a long, long period of time. 51 minutes, some very, very good squash there, and he was unlucky. He had match balls, Ryan Cuskelly, but that's in the past. Momen battled. You've got to take your hat off to Tarek Momen.
That's beautiful stuff again from Declan James. That's the kind of winner he's hitting against the younger brother. I suppose he's improved of late, but the thinking aspect of it I'm very impressed with tonight as well.
Yeah, the foundation for him is where he's grooving down here.
Oh,
yeah, but he left it.
Clever.
He left it, didn't he? He left it to be ultra critical there. It was a bit heavy. It wasn't. ElShorbagy was steaming in, and
oh, it was a loose shot from Declan James.
Doesn't matter.
Good change of direction from Declan James, hanging in there, and again just anticipating for the backhand volley. He's done it again.
prevented or affected. If it's affected, it's a let ball. If it's prevented, it's a stroke.
Well, there's an argument to say that it's been affected because of the follow-through, but the ball had already been hit after he,
11-9
before he hit the opponent. So.
Shorbagy leads.
Big loping strides of James and the busyness of the beast. And there's a quick snarl. I mean, he can't serve quick enough, Shorbagy. He's racing off to get there. Probably catching the bug from everyone here in Canary Wharf. Will he go? I don't think he will. Parky, I'm just sorry, I'm having a conversation in my head out on air here, Parky, but will he go for what you very much enjoy?
Well, we saw...
no, he won't. There you go, that's the answer.
And out.
He's not given up because he's tired. He's done the honourable thing there.
We saw Castagnet serve a fault, didn't we, against Sam Todd earlier in the week when he was 9-love.
In the win.
Yeah, they just feel like you see the score and it's going to be. It looks very easy. It certainly isn't.
Yeah, well played.
11-2,
Declan James is not recovered from that first game with Mohamed ElShorbagy. And Mohamed ElShorbagy showed why he's dominated such a long period of time. Respectful in the 9-love scenario, giving his opponent a point. 28 minutes. A fantastic performance by Mohamed ElShorbagy, and you've got to take your hat off to Declan James because he had to produce that to overcome the Englishman. But Shorbagy through to the semis, 2 games to... We've seen it a few times this evening.
We have. Solid hitting from Dessouky. He's so confident. Every shot he plays is with such purpose.
He's very, very sharp. A lot of spring in his step. He's got that natural bounding movement.
You'd be tempted, wouldn't you, if you're on court with Dessouky?
Well, that's very classy. I mean, it was a slightly loosish ball here. Castagnet didn't get the nick, but watch what Dessouky does with his wrist. He could have faked this shot and then just pushes it straight inside out. Highly skilled. Wonderful shot there from the Egyptian, who's got 5 game balls. He's also a previous semi-finalist of this event. So Dessouky struts off court, looking hugely confident. If a player hits a bad shot and stands over it, I don't understand why you start talking about like they need to, you need to take the right line. It's like, well, the line the ball's coming to the opponent.
Well,
so
I think you've hit the nail on the head. It is just a way of ending the conversation, isn't it? And try and keep the dialogue as short as possible. 48, 46. Great squeeze. Squeeze there, Castagnet.
8-6.
Motion for the talk.
But he's not he's putting it behind him. So I say, he slapped it into the tin. French support, absolutely delighted.
Well, we've got definitely a 3rd game on our hands now. The Warrior.
It's tight.
3-4.
He's done well here, because he was looking like he might pull away.
Thank you.
That's good to see there. Ferraz just calling his pick up down. Castagnet, yeah. He's knuckled down. He's tightened up his quality when the opportunity's there. Like, for instance, look at his position there. The shot quality so much better. He's not setting Dessouky up in the front. He's making him pay for loose balls, and that's
Player review this.
There is
Yes, that decision.
Paul Johnson.
So Mathieu Castagnet does it. He continues his run. His good respect there from Ferris Dessouky, because Castagnet has been a former world number 6. He's won this event 2 years ago. Castagnet books his place into the semi-finals. Absolutely delighted. 45 minutes as well, Parky. What an opportunity for him, giving him a really good chance physically in the best of 5 tomorrow.
There we go again. There's that fast attack, the pacey attack from John Makin.
And out.
I was talking about. Paul Coll
8-3.
to go in a bit slower, but look at this attack.
Down.
An opportunity there for Makin. Tried to go a little bit too fine.
10-9.
That's what happens when you play.
Game ball.
Both these players, they're playing the finest margins.
90s. To know that he's doing his training justice. He stitched himself as a stroke. Head nod there from the Kiwi.
Wasn't the greatest shot from Paul Coll, I have to say. Yeah, it's a lovely finish. Really nice skill from Paul Coll.
And out. 6-7.
Set up by the original cross-court drop and then the forehand volley drop. Nicely done. Oh, he's got it.
He got it!
Wow.
This is...
Another double
yes!
dive.
Damn it!
There we go.
I wanted to see another dive. I wanted both of them to dive
It's all happening.
at the same time. This chap's trying to get on court. He wants to have a dive. There's the first one.
How does he do it?
I don't know, but he got it. And there's the golden tiger. He's done one. Then, wow, didn't get the third. It's a good hold. Oh, he's got it. He's played it. Brilliant.
There's a couple of sweat patches on the court the players have decided to play on.
Width.
Stroke to make.
Oh, he's got the stroke.
Ball, please.
Talking about leaving it to the last minute, Parky. Played the ball. So many players would have looked for a stroke there.
Absolutely, that's good to see from Paul Coll. Poor shot there, just... That really did die.
He's done it. That's a great shot and a great finish. What a terrific performance by Paul Coll. Really, really good performance. Very good focus. Very, very good focus indeed, Paul Coll. Overcoming the golden tiger. Just didn't deviate from what he needed to do, Paul Coll. 47 minutes. Impressive stuff from the Kiwi.